As one of the largest real estate companies in the world, JLL is at the forefront of the rapid change in the world of work due to AI and big data. That technological revolution, coupled with a balance of home and office working, is driving a fundamental shift, according to JLL EMEA CEO of Work Dynamics and Head of Consulting, Sue Asprey-Price.
Hybrid is the new theme that is very much so here to stay. So what we're finding now is that office and work environments need to have a real purpose. They need to have a reason that people come into them.
And what role is AI and data playing in that?
The AI and the data is really helping us drive decision making to achieve lower cost and better outcomes. We're using AI as JLL to really determine how space is being used, where are there inefficiencies, and how do we improve that. And that's everything from the interior of ensuring that the right types of spaces are being used efficiently, but then also how the building is being run and managed. Our most recent Future of Work survey that we did, we spoke to a large number of occupiers. On average, 44% of them felt that it would be a combination of blending the two, so to speak, where yes, AI would be used to drive decision making, but it would still need that human element.
As well as reshaping the workplace, AI is also transforming the built environment on a much wider scale, such as increasing the demand for critical digital infrastructure. This includes data centres, the facilities that house the huge high-performance computing frameworks necessary for AI to function. The rapid growth in AI is creating an unprecedented demand for data centres around the world. JLL is a key player in this sector, with Jonathan Kinsey as the company's data centres global lead.
It's accelerating investment into the physical infrastructure around data centres. We're seeing some of the biggest private equity houses around the world put hundreds of billions of dollars into this critical infrastructure. What we're also seeing is the technology companies themselves invest huge amounts of money into building their own infrastructure. In the last quarter, if you look at the top 3 cloud service providers globally, something like more than $40 billion of capital expenditure is reported in their quarterly earnings to be allocated towards the infrastructure, the network.
That investment is also acting as a catalyst for technological innovation.
There will be value of that into other sectors, other parts of real estate around the world. So whether that be critical environments within a life science type development, or whether it be simple technologies that are really critical to the technical nature of a data center, they may well be deployed into a more generic building, whether it be transport or industrial or office.
This huge expansion requires much more power, making it harder to meet net zero carbon targets. But AI can also provide solutions to this, according to Guy Granger, JLL's global head of sustainability.
And there's lots of technology you can attach to buildings to create these smart data centers so they become uber efficient. So we do a lot of work with developers and technology companies that want these data centers to find out where in the world are they best placed so that they can source clean energy. They're still in useful places, but they're also in places that aren't going to be impacted by climate events. You don't want these buildings to go dark, right? Otherwise, suddenly we can't access all this information and the world grinds to a halt.
How will AI and data help your company help others become more sustainable?
Well, it gets really complex. There is a lot of data when you look at buildings, when you look at environments, when you look at climate risk and climate events. And so one of the challenges with sustainability is it's a complex and technical subject, and AI can help us simplify this by grabbing lots of data from lots of places and coming out with real solutions.
This digital revolution, fueled by data and artificial intelligence, is driving an unparalleled need for physical infrastructure, bringing both challenges and opportunities in the built environment that JLL is navigating with expertise.